what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. And we can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid and you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole lot of meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hola, ¿cómo estás, mi hermosa gente? Hola, hi. How are you guys, my beautiful, amazing people, weird, authentic people? Hi, how you doing? It's me, Melissa. So, hi. I got my stuffed animals with me, and look at this cute little guy right here. Isn't he adorable? So basically, it's a bear. See the cute little ears, and a bear wearing a unicorn costume. It's so cute. A little bear going trick-or-treating on Halloween with a unicorn costume. But it's so adorable. It's so cute. I'm gonna name this cute little bear Twinkle. Hi, Twinkle. It's so cute. Come on, it's adorable. And these are my other stuffed animals that I have. I like stuffed animals so much. And I just want to say that I got something in the mail. I just got it like a few days ago. So I hide it, put it away. So one day I will use it, and today's the day. Here's a box that I got in the mail, and I already opened it because I was so excited I couldn't wait. But luckily I did not touch anything, so I'm excited. I have other stuff that I may want to get, or that I may have ordered or get that's yet to come, or I have some things that I have but I cannot share with you guys, not yet. I feel like I can't share until like it's not the right moment yet to share. All in due time. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you guys what's in here. Well, bubble wrap. I like bubble wrap, it's fun. So, show you in the box. Voila! It's this! A 3503 Fierce by Nature Artistry Palette. Palette de Mes in Beauty. So this is a Morphe palette that I got for the first time ever! Ah! Oh my god, I'm excited. And I did read all this before. And let's see. Okay. Hot to the touch. This Fortune palette was born to dominate. Just like you. Wild, sizzling, reds, and hypnotic flaming oranges create fierce looks that'll stop everyone in their tracks. So glow on and fuel that creativity. Stun, wild, Morphe babe. It says right here in the top. And it says it right here too, but a different language. I think it's Spanish. I'm not sure exactly. I mean, I can read a little bit of Spanish, but like that's not. I mean, every Spanish is not the same, because some people they speak it differently, or spell the words differently. So I'm just gonna open it. It says blend the rules. Blend the rules. So I'm just gonna open it. And there's a bubble wrap inside. Oof. I love bubble wrap. This is it. It's like plastic, hard. It's like not too big. It's like not too small, not too big, like regular, like a medium size. And it's perfect. You can fit it in like a bag like this type of bag. You can fit it inside, and it's super pretty. I'm definitely gonna put it in this bag and save it. Oh my gosh, I'm like, oh, so happy I got this. Like, I was so hyped. Like, ah! Like, I was screaming. Ready? Oh! These are the colors. It does come with the plastic. The plastic has the names on them. And I'm just gonna put it down for a second. But look at these colors. They look very, very bright and whoa. Like, vibrant colors. I love all of these. Like, from the dark to the bright oranges and reds and the neutrals here that you can use, and especially the green and this, the glitter. This looks like a glitter. This one's a shimmer and mattes and shimmer. I think this is like the only glitter here. And the green, oh, the green, and these colors right here, the red and the oranges. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna read to you the names. All right, guys. Okay, so for this one, it's Trance. Let me see. I'll just put it here so you can see. Okay. Trance. And this one is Consume, Frenzy, Power Play. And then there's here's Savage. And then the OG, Disrupt. And let's see what else. This one is Temptin' and Flame Game. Then Furious, Come Alive, Major Hottie, Stun Wild, and Ambers. Let's see here. This one right here is New Flame. This one is Ball of Fire, Red Alert, Make Believe, Unstoppable, and this one Explode, Hot Contents. Okay, and this here is Domination, Full Blast, and this one is Ignition, and this one is Mesmerize. Right here, this one is Inferno. Okay, in Command. And this one, Hypnotic. And Stamina. Warning, Label, Combust, Out of Control, Smolder, Jolt, and the last one, Smoked Out. So these are all the names right here. And wow, this is so pretty. There's so many things I have in my mind that I want to start with. I want to go with neutral, but I also want to go with the red and orange. I also want to go with the dark colors here in the bottom. I also want to go with the green, because I'm like, the green is speaking to me as much as these colors right here and the black. Ooh, smoked out. I don't know what to start with, but this is a palette and I'm just like excited. Alright, so I think I'm gonna start with this one, the Trance, like a kind of like a base, I guess. So I'm gonna just try this one. No fallout. Okay, just gonna go right here, that's all. Just put it out this way. Put a little bit, not too much. And then on the other side. Next, I'm gonna use this, like a light orange color right here. This one. It's, let's see, I believe it's Explode. Yeah. I'm gonna use the color Explode. Ooh, that is pigmented. Whoa, okay. Whoa. I'm very much impressed. Wow. Wow. I mean, let me see. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This bright orange is amazing. What? Just tap a little bit of that in there. in the outer corner of my eyes. Oh my gosh. Wow. See, with this, on this side, I have to go like this because it's harder for me to go on this side than this one. It's more harder on this side of my eye. That is a lot of pigment. Wow. Whoa, like, this is amazing. Dang. Ooh. This is amazing. Wow. Morphe. Fierce by nature. Okay, I got you. I love you. I love you so much. I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh. Best money spent. I think it was maybe $18, I believe. I'll look it up later and just put a link down below for the website, you know, in the palette. Sometimes it gets sold out, but it does restock once in a while, I believe. I'm gonna use this one, and that one, the row, is called Ignition. So I'm gonna use Ignition. So I want a little bit of that. Just a little bit of the brown. Okay. A little bit more here. There we go. And on this side, that Ignition brown. It feels like a milk chocolate kind of brown, like this right here. Oh, beautiful, so beautiful. I have a mirror right here, so like, there's no need for a mirror because I don't really need it anyway. Let's see. Next, I want to use this one. Would be Warning Label. So this color right here, the one I'm tapping on. This color. Man, I want to darken this part a little bit and then go with the lighter color, bright. Ooh, yes. Oh yes, this is beautiful. It's a little bit messy, but it's okay. I can fix that. And go here. Okay, let's try the color Jolt. This one. A little bit under here, not so much. Just darken it a little bit more. Okay, so what I want to use is this green one right here. I've been dying to use this green one. Come Alive. Oh, I'm excited. Like, look at this beautiful green. Oh my god, okay. My palette down. Let's put the mirror here. Oh, yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh, yes, yes, this is beautiful. Oh my god. Yes. I love the green. Oh my gosh. That green is beautiful. This green right here is beautiful. Wow. I probably can't see it on there, but here it's amazing. Oh my gosh. Next, I want to go with this color. It's right here, Unstoppable. I think it's like a bright red, but I just want to put it right here. And the last thing I want to put is this beautiful green shimmer power play right here. Just want to see how it will look in the inner corner. See how it looks. Okay. Wow. I am loving this power play green shimmer. So I can mix them here. Ooh, yes. Whoa. I probably can't see it, but like, it looks so good. Whoa. Let me just tap it on here. I'm gonna use my finger. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Yeah. This is amazing. Oh, it's so soft too. With this. Ooh. Perfect. Wow. Green here. Oh my gosh. So this is the eye look I did. I don't know if you can see it, but sorry, like the quality is probably not that good, but I did it. This palette is amazing. Especially the green. Oh my gosh, I love the green so much. Look at my eyes. I don't use fake lashes. I don't use eyeliner. Sometimes, not all the time, because I'm not very comfortable with using it because it always hurts my eyes. So I just leave it like that because I'm fine with it. I like it. Now what I'm gonna do is put the blush, highlight, and lipstick. So this palette is amazing. Oh my gosh, look at this. This palette is beautiful, very pigmented, and I love it. Like this look, and I can't wait to do more with this. Oh my gosh, so many dark colors and maybe possibly like Christmas colors too. Like I just have so many ideas. Oh my god, I love this palette. It's beautiful, it's amazing, and it's really good price. Buy this, it's so good. Come on, like the price is amazing, it's not expensive, and it's just wow. This is my first Morphe palette ever. Wow. I don't know, I might do a video with maybe making 3 looks with this palette. I'm not sure if I want to or not. Maybe we'll see what I come up with. I don't know. But if you like the video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I want this like dark, like wicked kind of look today. And the black lipstick, I want to go with like satin, like almost like a nude lipstick too. You could use nude lipstick. I mean, I would do, but I wanted to wear black because I love black. And yeah. And then give the video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos, story time, mental health on my main channel. Linked up here and down below for my my main channel and my daughter's channel. Links are down below. Playlist videos are down below. There are vlogs and like so many videos I make, especially on my main channel. Go subscribe to my main channel. Links are down below. Please subscribe. Show love and support. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly Instagram because I'm more active on Instagram and Twitter. But like, follow me, please. Show love and support. Hit the bell to get notified. Until next time, bye, my beautiful, authentic people. Always be yourself. Love yourself. Be creative. Be awesome. Be you. Until next time. Bye.